100 Short English Sentences in Daily Life. Episode 3.
For understanding, you can translate it into your language by click Subtitles and click Setting. Select Subtitles and select Auto Translate. Select your language.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My phone number is 91-9867-4239. My phone number is 91-9867-4239. Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? Are you there? Are you there?
How did you come to know? How did you come to know? Which side are you on? Which side are you on? I don't have a side. I don't have a side. Are you done? Are you done? I have completed the task. I have completed the task.
Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. How should I handle this? How should I handle this? Let it be. Let it be. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's your choice. It's your choice.
Take a look at this. Take a look at this. I'm quite exhausted today. I'm quite exhausted today. He explained to me. He explained to me. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There were loads of people. There were loads of people.
Make it your home. Make it your home. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to fear. That's what I am saying. That's what I am saying. It's not like that. It's not like that. Take a look at this. Take a look at this.
I cannot bear this. I cannot bear this. Do not be childish. Do not be childish. Are you done? Are you done? I have nothing. I have nothing. Apply your mind. Apply your mind.
When does it begin? When does it begin? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? He is blushing. He is blushing. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
She is learning a lesson. She is learning a lesson. I am driving the car. I am driving the car. May I say something? May I say something? Don't be so innocent. Don't be so innocent. That was my mistake. That was my mistake.
Speak clearly. Speak clearly. He cares for you. He cares for you. Make it simple. Make it simple. No manners at all. No manners at all. Come to the point. Come to the point.
Feel free to speak. Feel free to speak. Do not use it. Do not use it. Who came? Who came? She is staring at him. She is staring at him. I will not say a word. I will not say a word.
There is a reason. There is a reason. Just move on. Just move on. How pitiable. How pitiable. Don't get close to me. Don't get close to me. It's worthwhile. It's worthwhile.
Is it really you? Is it really you? It's indelible. It's indelible. He is credulous. He is credulous. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Take me with you. Take me with you. I can't bear this. I can't bear this. I got stunned. I got stunned. Decide it now. Decide it now. Stop eavesdropping. Stop eavesdropping.
How tragic. How tragic. I need some time. I need some time. I never heard that before. I never heard that before. It's merely a rumor. It's merely a rumor. What movie is on today? What movie is on today?
Use your brain. Use your brain. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. Do not abuse him. Do not abuse him. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this.
What can I do now? What can I do now? Anything else to do for me? Anything else to do for me? How's that? How's that? Can it be solved? Can it be solved? Get off my back. Get off my back.
Why did he let you do this? Why did he let you do this? Had you right to do like this? Had you right to do like this? This is out of my mind. This is out of my mind. It is scorching sun outside. It is scorching sun outside. Let it go, dear. Let it go, dear.
Catch you up later. Catch you up later. I can't sleep without you. I can't sleep without you. I had a car. I had a car. I am unknown to you. I am unknown to you. Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
Has he got a car? Has he got a car? It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. You did fairly well. You did fairly well. Are you inside? Are you inside? Just listen. Just listen.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Wake him up. Wake him up. Calm down. Calm down. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.